Okay, today I have one of the rarest things in the record player collecting business, the Zenith Twin 7 model G660. These were built for 1 year in 1949 when the great record speed war was raging. 45s, 7-inch LPs, duking it out for dominance. This is a nice AM radio, bakelite case, but when you open it up, there is the oddest record changer you will probably ever see.
That is odd.
It plays both 45s, and I should have had a record handy here, and I don't, and 7-inch LPs. I might have a kid's record here. Hang on. No such luck. We'll cover that later. This was done for 1 year. I've got I've torn this down, taken the motor out. The idler wheels, of course, are hard as rocks. I'm thinking them ought to be rebuilt. But what you've got is a motor driving 2 turntables simultaneously. One at 33 1/3, one at 45, and this little arm that plays the record. It's a miniature Zenith Cobra tone arm. It may not trip because I've had the machine apart. There we go.
So when you're playing a 45, how do you get the arm over to it?
That's one of the catches. When you find these, usually the cases are scratched and cracked. The other thing to watch out for is the plastic base of this tone arm, because you have to pick it up and rotate it until it clicks to play the 45. And on this one, this doesn't spin. It's stationary. Turntable spins. And I can't cycle it, I don't think, without the, maybe I can, yeah. There we go. And it would be playing the 45. It's a regular 5-tube radio with an added oscillator tube for the Zenith Cobra cartridge, which is a very unusual thing. It's called the Zenith Radionic. It's a coil of wire with a metal vane next to it, spring-loaded, attached to a needle. And as the needle moves the vane, it changes the inductance of the cartridge, producing a very crude FM modulated signal, which they demodulate with a really cheap circuit, and you get really good sound quality. But only Zenith and World of Jukebox used it. So this is very rare. You rarely find these. Found this on eBay, held my breath, put it in a bid, and was amazed that I did not get outbid. In fact, nobody else bid, which amazes me. And it arrived in one piece, which also amazed me. The seller had screwed down the screws and packed it with bubble wrap. They did a good job, but this is a showpiece. These are rare as hen's teeth, especially when in good shape. And this one will have new idler wheels and be working perfectly in about a month. It's got a standard 5-tube radio with the IF cans crackling, called silver mica disease. Look it up on YouTube. There's a lot written about it. But I got to do that too. But all I care about is the record player.
Well, thank you, Paul.
You're welcome. There'll be more.